Hello, my friends. In this video, we will start creating our navigation drawer application. So I will create a new project, select empty activity, and I will name it as nav drawer app. I will select language Kotlin, click on finish button. This application will display a navigation drawer using fragments in Android. So please pay attention with me because I'm going to use fragments and they are very important to implement and to understand how we use these fragments and how to make transactions between the fragments. As usual, we will start with the layout. So I will go to the split mode and I will go to here to the activity main. I will remove this text view and I will change this layout, this constraint layout to drawer layout. So Android x.drawer_layout.widget.drawer layout. It becomes a drawer layout. Okay, so here I will implement a constraint layout and match parent for the width and height, and inside this constraint layout I will use a frame layout. Do you remember the frame layout? Yes, I think so, because we are dealing with fragments. We will use frames. So frame layout is used for displaying the frame fragments layouts. Okay, match parent and ID would be frame_layout1. Okay, this is simple. You can see the frame layout here in white. Now I need to implement something called navigation view. The navigation view represents a navigation menu for application. The menu contents can be populated by a menu resource file. So a navigation view is typically placed inside a drawer layout that we've used here. So the drawer layout, when you want to create a drawer for your application, you need to use drawer layout. So here I would use navigation view. The width is wrap content, the height is match parent, and the ID would be nav_view. The fits system windows true, and the gravity would be start. These are the attributes for displaying a professional and a standard navigation view. App, I will use a menu. So here I'm going to use a menu from the menu folder that I'm going to use and to create. So nav_menu. Okay, this is the file that the folder and the file that we're going to create. And also I'm going to create a layout for the header. So app header layout, we're going to make it complex in order to learn more and more things. Nav header. This nav header will contain only one text view. Okay, so we're going to create these two files. I will go to here to the resource, create new layout resource. I will name it as nav header and click OK. And this is our layout. I will go to the split mode, and here I will create a text view, and I will set wrap content. The ID would be text view 2, and text style would be bold, and the size would be 30 sp. And here we go. The text would be navigation header, and this is good. So I will click on infer constraints, and this is good. Okay, I will change some properties here. The height would be 150 dp, and the background would be a purple 700 or teal 700. Okay, so this is good. This is our navigation header layout. If we go back to the header layout, we can see that we need to refresh the layout after we create the menu. So let's go to here, create res folder, and now we create a new directory, or an Android resource directory, and select menu. You can see we are selecting the menu here, resource type menu, and the directory name is menu. Click OK, and here we go. We have this file here, or this folder. I will create a file here, create menu resource file, and I will name it as nav menu. Hit OK, and here we go. This is our menu.